Okay, great. So let's get into it. Now, this quick video is, should you buy an SEO optimized website or just a website? What is the difference and what should you expect from an SEO optimized website? Well, the obvious answer there is an SEO optimized website is already built with the fundamentals needed inside the website to get it ranking first. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we built an SEO optimized website and got it ranked on Google in just a week and a half. Now, this is a WhatsApp chat I had with a customer. Obviously, I've cut out some sensitive information here, so you will see gaps in the chat, but this is the basic flow of the chat. On the 12th of May, I received the basic content for a brand new website to be built and ranked on Google. Now, this is a brand new website. The domain name had never been used before, so there was no backlinks pointing to the website, and the domain name didn't have any power whatsoever. So on the 12th of May, that was, he sent me through some text that basically he said he wanted to cover the website. This is the basic content for the website, or at least for the first page of the website. As we go through the chat, you can see just here, he said, when can we get started in building the site? I'd like it to be an exact copy of another website that he currently had. Later that day, he purchased a domain name, as you can see here. Yeah, got logo, got the pictures, and I've purchased the domain. I want it to be built on WordPress. Coming up to the 13th of May here, it still didn't have the login information, so there was nothing I could do to build the website. As you can see, it was his dad's 60th birthday, so this went on for a few days. On the 16th of May, I asked him what's happening, and on the 18th of May, he came back to me with the login information I needed. Although, to be honest, the login information was wrong, the password was wrong, so I still couldn't get started. On the 20th of May, that's when we actually got access to the website, and I found out what his business address was, what the phone number was. This went back and forward for a few days. Basically, he was out working, and I never got a chance to chat to him until late in the evening. Now, this is no good for me. When I say I'm going to build a website, I like to have that website built and finished in 2 weeks. Now, I understand that people are working, they're working in their business, but 2 weeks is plenty of time if you're serious about getting a website built and ranked. I aim to give you that website in 2 weeks. So now moving on to the 20th of May, I finally received the information for the areas in which he wanted to target. Now, these are local areas in Kent. These are big towns. Generally, Midway is an area more than a town. We went back and forth for a little while trying to get the information I needed for this. As you can see here, I still didn't even have the logos. Lots of back and forth goes on before we get to publish the website. And then on the 25th of June, basically a month after starting, we released the website, and a few days later, just about a week and a half, as you can see, I sent him a link to a Google search for google.co.uk for his brand name and his search term. So green smart artificial grass, his search term. And as you can see, he was at position number 8. A few days after that, here on the 26th of June, he took over position number 1 on Google. So in that time, we had built a website. We'd come up with the idea for the website. We built the website. We released it, and we got it ranked. As you can see on my website here, if you want to come and check out this case study, Is an SEO optimized website worth the money? Well, to get it built and ranked in a little over a month, the answer's got to be yes. And the money you will save by buying a website and having it built and designed with the SEO already implemented into it will be thousands of pounds. Now, I have something, if this interests you, you can come visit my website. That's fine. You can see the case study. You can read some other testimonials. But if you want to see how I did this and you want to see how I did it in detail, I will be holding a workshop. And let me tell you about that now.